What's up, everyone? Good weekend. It's Friday, and it was a crazy week because we had that day off in the middle of the week. It threw me off. I don't know about y'all, and I got off work early today. It's only 2:30, and Lacey brought the kids to the daycare, so she was kidless. So when I got home, she says, "Hey, let's eat some lunch and go run some errands. Let's do some shopping." So we did that. I'm fighting a migraine, so we've already been to Target. So I'm starting to feel a lot better. So yeah, the rest of the day is ahead of us. Let's get started. Actually waiting on Lacey right now. She's putting a deposit down for a condo for our next big vacation. It's going to be epic.
Hi guys, we're about to make cookies again. What are these for?
I think these are just for tonight.
Mom, okay.
Good. Got all of them?
He's gonna be jumping for the wall. Boom. That's not funny. That would not be funny. Now let's. I told you.
Ma.
Yo, Dave, full send on it?
I can't see, you're too close.
Cookie time.
You ready? You think it's ready? Oh yeah.
What, are we ready? Really hot?
I don't know. Let's see. Ah! Oh, it scared you. Don't touch. It's really hot. Don't touch. So we stopped at Lolly's to do some swimming, but I forgot to charge the GoPro. So we're going to do some swimming, and we will see y'all later. Now, the car collection hasn't grown here lately. We're going to have to remedy that soon. There we go. I need some more cars. I have to get some more. Most definitely. Literally been working on this thing for I don't know how long. I don't think it's going to get any better. It is really tangled. It looks tiny, but it just gets worse. Flippin' pow. Got her dead. That was not fun, but I got it. Woo! I'm getting cabin fever. Lacey's in the shower. She's getting out right now. I'm going to try to see if we can get out of the house. Okay, so we had to get out of the house. We got cabin fever. So we're going to Hobby Lobby to look for some picture frames. What? What? Cabin fever. That means we've been in the house too long. We're going crazy. You ready?
I don't want to go. Are we going to the mall?
We're going to a place by the mall. It's called Hobby Lobby. It's crazy. It's awesome.
And we're going to Party City. We got to get decorations for Sadie's birthday party.
Woo! This is what a summer thunderstorm looks like.
Uh-oh.
Look how dark it is over there. That is insane.
It's insane.
It works.
Look, we can blow these up for Sadie's birthday party.
More of my stuff. Seriously, need some lights for my garage. The heck is that?
Go, it's a squishy.
Oh, you know, I kind of like these ones. The rock?
Mm-hmm.
That's the rock?
No. I like these.
Oh, no, it doesn't really match our house.
These are good.
We'd have to go with like a light.
I'm surprised she doesn't like the corks.
What do you think, James?
I like the rock, but the blue is really popping.
Yeah.
That other blue is nice too. That dark blue over
No, it
there.
doesn't match though.
Oh, it doesn't?
No. Not with the house. Okay, we'll get another bag of the light blue from here. That's a big flower.
That is a massive flower.
It's $16.
Golly. It's July. Really?
Find some art stuff. Cause I want to make a banner for Sadie's birthday. We could use some of these.
Think so?
So we are going to use this for Sadie's birthday. Look up.
Okay, get that too. That's pretty. You think that'll be enough?
No. We need some Crayola stuff so I can write happy birthday. Anna. Happy birthday, ballet girl. Something. Ooh.
Perfect.
And this thing comes out.
Good.
So you do a round cake, we put this on the plate, and then put that chew at the top.
I like
So you
it.
get a plain cake and don't have to pay a whole bunch of money.
Mommy,
I like it.
this is okay. I also need Mommy, stop. And I also got
Big summer blowout. This dude here thinks he's the Eggman. That was a successful little haul we got there.
Yeah, we gotta go to Party City
Oh,
now.
it's raining right this second. It's raining right now. Now we're in Party City. And I want everything in here.
down. Sadie, sit.
Wonder what this tastes like.